Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee X80 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here scroll down to storage and you should see your SD card, so tap on it. And it gives me some message that this device doesn't support this SD card. Let's just set it up. Let's choose portable storage next and erase and format. Now this is for me. For you probably the card will be working just fine. I believe this card was formatted for some other device before, that's why it didn't recognize it, but now as you can see it's right here. So to continue the process of it, let's open it up. And from the card you want to tap on the three dots, go to storage settings where you will find the format option. So tap on it and we'll give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it, and if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have done it or you don't want to, tap on erase and format. The process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, only takes about 5 to 10 seconds. And there we go, now it's finished. So click on done and well, you're done with the process. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.